लहराए, सात समंदर की मस्ती करूं, गुरु गुण लिखा न जाए। अर्थात पूरी धरती को कागज बना दो, जंगल की सभी लकड़ियों को कलम और सात समंदरों को स्याही बनाकर लिखने पर भी गुरु के गुणों को लिखा नहीं जा सकता। With these words, now I would like to request Ms. Shweta ma'am to end up this activity.
Very good morning to all of you, our coordinator, ma'am, sir, teachers, and all my dear students. It is a privilege to stand before you today on this special occasion of Teachers' Day to honor and celebrate the incredible work of our teachers. Teachers' Day is not just a day to acknowledge the hard work of educators, but also to reflect on the impact they have on their student lives. Teachers are often called the builders of a nation. They mold young minds, shape and their characters, and help them to become the individual as they aspire to be. Through guidance of teachers, students gain not only academic knowledge but also life skills that they stay with them forever and ever. Today, we are here to thank all the teachers for their dedication, patience, and wisdom. Behind every successful student is a teacher who believed in them even when they didn't believe in teachers. We know teaching is not easy job. It takes patience, resilience, and a lot of patience to be a good teacher. And each one of us embodies these qualities. Teachers make learning exciting and help them overcome challenges. Teachers inspire their students to work harder, to dream bigger, and to never give up on their goals. Now, I would like to closing my speech and like to say Happy Teachers Day to each and every teacher who dedicates their life to educate their students for their better bright future. Thank you everyone. Now, activity